To give you the best review of ConvertKit, I want to show you pure unfiltered comments from actual users, both positive and negative, who have nothing to gain by saying their opinions. YouTube and the internet are full of glowing ConvertKit videos and reviews from affiliates like me, who gush about all the amazing reasons to start using their email marketing service. This isn't one of those videos. I'm sure that each of these reviewers are sincere, as I am, but the truth is, as happy users and affiliates for ConvertKit, we can only offer you one biased perspective because we love it. I read through thousands of comments and hundreds of threads on Twitter, Quora, and Reddit to find descriptive feedback about what people really think of ConvertKit. Let's jump right in. As a side note, you'll notice that none of these comments have links to a content article, blog post, video, or anywhere the author would encourage you to sign up with their affiliate link. Of all the comments I read, the majority of the positive ones said in some form or another that ConvertKit is easy to use. The second most mentioned thing was how great customer support is. Many talked about how awesome their features are, specifically when it comes to commerce and being able to sell products directly through the platform, as well as how much they love the automations. Another mentioned how powerful and flexible the software is, and one even polled her audience to ask which email service provider they would use out of 4 different services. 61% of her 156 votes said ConvertKit. Finally, many comments were just simply positive, saying everything from how it's always being improved, to there's no better option, to it's a game changer, to it's the best email marketing service on the planet. Now let's take a look at the negative comments. Of these comments, the biggest complaint was how expensive it was. While this may be true if you're just starting out, ConvertKit does let you use the entire platform for free for 14 days and free for life after that with limitations for up to 1,000 subscribers. So there shouldn't be an issue there. Some don't like the user experience. One person specifically mentioned that the way the dashboard data is displayed makes him feel like a failure because it shows him how many subscribers he loses every day. I see this as an important metric because if you're losing many subscribers every day, it means you're doing something wrong and need to change it. Some of the one-off comments stated that the writing interface could be buggy, you can't tie a buyer's name to a new product sale if the person isn't on your list, and that it has limited data. The funny part about this comment was even though this person mentioned that he felt like he could develop his own email software, he still felt ConvertKit was the most acceptable. This person said the A/B split testing feature was basic, you can't send test emails with autoresponders, and templates were limited. While I agree the split testing could be improved, you actually can send test emails with autoresponders, and recently Nathan Barry, ConvertKit's founder, tweeted that they're hiring more designers to build out their template library. A few people didn't like that they had many unconfirmed subscribers. I actually think this is a good thing for 2 reasons. 1, because ConvertKit doesn't charge you for subscribers that don't confirm, and 2, because if your offer isn't enticing enough to get people to double opt into your list, you're able to tweak your offer until it works better without getting punished for it. 2 commenters made multiple tweet complaints, and I show those to you to demonstrate how responsive ConvertKit's customer service is. In both cases, those customers were responded to the same day. That's pretty impressive. Finally, one commenter grumbled about a recent move he made from MailChimp to ConvertKit and how awful it was, but that he didn't regret the move. What's really unfortunate is that he didn't know about the free migration service that ConvertKit offers for any paying customer. If you're thinking to switch from another service to ConvertKit, use my link below to take advantage of this remarkable free service. The most interesting thing about all the negative comments is that I didn't find many repeat ones when it came to features and function of the actual software. Pretty much all the complaints were from people being unable to do specific things. So what do you think? Do you agree with the comments I've shown you? Let me know in the comments below. In the next video, I'll show you a complete demo and give you a walkthrough of what you can expect when using ConvertKit. So be sure to click here to watch that next. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, keep creating.